Hello! In this video you will learn how to use the Leica BLK360 laser scanner to collect data in the field for a renovation project. The BLK360 is a compact, lightweight imaging laser scanner designed for fast and precise reality capture. It combines LiDAR and panoramic imaging in one compact device. Begin by mounting the BLK360 securely on a tripod. Turn on the BLK360 by pressing the power button. Wait until the LED light turns green. This indicates that the scanner is ready to use. Now it's time to connect your BLK360 with the Cyclone FIELD 360 app. Before connecting, make sure to have the Wi-Fi turned on the tablet. To mitigate interferences, you can set the tablet to flight mode. To connect, use the serial number and password that you will find under the instrument. Now that the devices are paired, you are ready to start. Now, create a new job. You can choose between full mode for complete data capture or LWPO mode for lightweight processing. You can also add a cover picture to your job. Now your job is empty. Tap on the red button to configure your settings, resolution and image capture preferences. You can also select the Eco mode setting to optimize your battery duration. With everything set, you can now initiate your first scan. Press the red button to start scanning. You can decide to move to another room if you don't want to appear in the scan. The BLK360 LED ring will turn to a yellow pulsing colour. This means the instrument is now scanning. Once the scan is complete, the LED ring turns green. In case it turns yellow, please repeat the scan, as this indicates that the scan might not have been saved correctly. The FIELD 360 app will display the panoramic image and the point cloud of the space you just captured, giving you a rich visual of the room. Move to a new location and perform a second scan. Thanks to the Viz technology, the BLK360 tracks the movement with its 4 cameras. FIELD 360 automatically pre-aligns the scans. To link the 2 scans together, start by tapping on the first scan, and then tap on the second scan. Now, press the Create Link button. This will link and align the 2 scans automatically using both Viz technology and by comparing the point clouds. For optimal results, ensure clear line of sight between scan positions and avoid cameras pointing at a reflective surface or a flat surface with no texture. You can always manually adjust the scan in plan view or in facade view. This is recommended in case the pre-alignment fails. Continue scanning until you have covered the entire area. Ensure you have enough overlapping between scans, and do not forget to take a scan under the door to ensure continuity between 2 rooms. You can review your scans anytime to verify coverage and check for any gaps in the data. For example, you can isolate the last 3 or 5 or 7 scans. This is highly recommended when you are scanning in a multi-floor location. FIELD 360 allows you to take measurements directly in the field, distances, angles, and areas. You can enhance your scans by adding geotags, photos, videos, and notes to document site conditions and add observations. Continue scanning by moving to a different room or different positions inside the same room to collect all the details. Keep linking each new scan with the previous one. At the end, you will have just one bundle where all your setups are linked and aligned together. Once complete, export your scan bundle in E57 to continue working in CAD, BIM, or other visualization software. That's how you use the BLK360 laser scanner. Efficient, fast, and ready for any site. Thanks for watching.